Want to invest, but worried that jumping into the stock market right now would be like showing up to the party just as the DJ packs up? Nobody wants to be the person who buys at the peak and watches their portfolio do the limbo. Stock market coach and personal finance educator Sain shares 3 smart moves to help you invest wisely when the market feels red hot. Move number 1. Momentum with caution. As Sain puts it, new highs typically lead to more new highs. Translation: a stock hitting records often keeps running higher, but that doesn't mean go all in. Instead, use dollar cost averaging to ease into the market. Buy gradually, and if prices dip, target that last high as a smart entry point. Move number 2. Stay consistent and avoid FOMO. Hot markets can make you feel like you need to bet big to catch up. But Sain warns, consistent automatic deposits are the best approach and help you avoid FOMO. Automating your buys and sticking with your plan beats chasing shiny stocks every time. Move number 3. Diversify for balance. According to Sain, diversification brings peace of mind. He recommends spreading your investments across industries, including some growth plays in sectors like artificial intelligence, so you can smooth out the bumps while still catching potential upsides. So if you're worried about buying at the peak, remember Sain's playbook. Move in gradually, automate your investing, and spread your bets. That way, even if the party slows down, you won't be the one left holding the empty punch bowl. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.